Hello everyone, this is the official MI Mix 3 first impression video from MI, and this is the one we were waiting for. The phone is going to have every functionalities which are futuristic. This is going to have a slide camera and a 10 GB RAM, massive RAM for the speedy operation of your content. So you can see what's a first impression video shows you. It shows you the NFC payment, it shows you the slide camera, it shows you the 10 GB RAM menu. So you can get all the things within your hands from the launch of this phone in China to in India to in the world, because the MI Mix 3 is going to be the MI's maximum RAM phone yet. And the interesting thing is, this is going to have fun for PUBG and Fortnite players. So you have fun, friends. We are going to have a phone with the full screen display and the gaming performance enabled itself from the bond of a phone. Thanks for watching our video, and subscribe and like our video, and please comment our video.